Okay, so this is the chart of Zcash. It literally skyrocketed, wiping out the previous bear market and gave people life-changing returns. This happens in alt season. Cardano did this in 2021. So previous price action didn't matter. It was very painful to own the asset, and then Zcash skyrockets. Why is Zcash skyrocketing? Partly because Barry Silbert is the head of Grayscale, which is one of the biggest crypto companies on the planet. He's creating funds around it. He's supporting it. He's also doing that with BitTensor Tau, right? So if Zcash, of all things that no one has ever heard of, can do this, your favorite asset can absolutely do this. So do not be discouraged by charts that look like this. They're usually incredibly bullish if the network is growing and the chart looks like that. You get quick reversals. So in the long term, we know that can happen to the highest quality assets. In the short term, Bitcoin leverage near $40 billion ahead of key Fed votes. So people are starting to get very bullish. That's usually a dangerous sign. If people get too bullish, start taking on leverage again. This shows open interest. Up here's the price of Bitcoin. Here is open interest. So as it gets too high, you start to see massive liquidation events. That's what we just saw. Now, if people start to get bullish again, I would expect another massive liquidation event to shake people out before the life-changing returns happen. You can see these big liquidation events happen every so often. This was the top of the last bull market, the open interest in Bitcoin. We had a massive liquidation event and people just kept getting bullish and then just getting wiped out all along the way. So that's what we just saw. Another one. And again, if it gets too stretched to the upside, expect more. So that's just short-term price action, market manipulation. That's what people do. They wait till everyone's super levered long. It's very easy to trigger a sell-off. So short-term price action, noise. The long game is Bitwise Solana staking ETF launches tomorrow. We have the first Solana ETF. Now Wall Street can buy it up, right? They can pour money into Solana for the first time. We also have Hedera Hashgraph ETFs, Litecoin ETFs launching as well, right? The world's finally going to be able to discover what the high quality altcoins do. How do I know these are high quality and will most likely provide life-changing returns? Because of this chart. Value of tokenized real world assets. 0 in 2021, skyrocketing and exponential now. This means massive profits for the highest quality altcoins on the planet. This obviously means life-changing returns. If this can happen to Zcash, then the same thing can happen to the assets benefiting from this.